So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan. Now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And now as this scan's running, we're just going to minimize this so we can do the next steps in the video. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on power options. Now on the left hand side, you're going to click on choose what the power buttons do. Now once we're here, you're going to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now it should be saying for you, turn on fast startup. You want to untick this. Untick, turn on fast startup, and then click on save changes. And now for the next step, you're going to come back into CMD. You're going to wait for your scan to be completed. Now you're going to type in chkdsk /r. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And now this will come up. You're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now for the next step, you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on again, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. You now want to run this scan. Once that's been done, it will take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.